In this video, I'll show you how to transfer my money from PayPal to my credit card. And I want to clear up an important detail right from the start, so you know exactly how this works. You can follow this process using either the PayPal website or the PayPal mobile app. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. Begin by signing in to your PayPal account and heading to your wallet section. Your screen may look slightly different depending on your region, but the overall steps are the same and will still apply. Inside your wallet, you'll see options to add banks and cards. You can add a credit card here if you haven't already, but it's very important to understand that PayPal does not allow you to transfer your PayPal balance directly to a credit card. Even if your credit card is linked, withdrawals cannot go straight to the card. To move your money so it can be used toward your credit card, you must first link a bank account. In the wallet section, choose the option to add a bank. If you're in a region where supported banks are listed, you can select your bank and sign in using your banking credentials. If not, you'll need to enter your bank details manually, such as the bank name, account type, and routing or account number. Make sure the bank account is fully linked and verified before moving on. Once your bank account is successfully added, go back to your wallet and select your PayPal balance. From there, choose the transfer option and select the bank account you just linked. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transfer. After the money reaches your bank account, you can then use that bank account to pay your credit card balance or make credit card payments as usual. While PayPal doesn't support direct transfers to a credit card, this method allows you to move your PayPal balance so it can ultimately be used for your credit card. That's exactly how to transfer your money from PayPal to your credit card, by using a linked bank account. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.